No way here. If you watched my yesterday's YouTube, I was talking about changing my tire, but I didn't do it last night. It got too dark and I didn't feel like doing it. And so I'm gonna do it today. You know, it's rainy, dark, draining all over my phone. My friend's here, he's playing with stuff. But I'm gonna took this tire off earlier, and I didn't pull the camera out. Totally forgot to, but I thought I'd do the rest of the process putting it on. And well, if you look there, oh my god, it's back upside down. If you look right there, see if I can get focus in. That's the rim I'm putting on. I actually really don't know if it's a good rim or not. We're gonna find out if it is. If you guys ever want one, you can search that name, pause the video and stuff, and hopefully you guys can get it. It fits on there nice, sometimes. Yeah. This tire is, shoot, come here. I need both my hands. I'm gonna fit down there so just oh my god. Don't laugh at me. Well, there we go. It spins nice. Well, there you have it. Alright, so I'm gonna ride this, see how it rides, if I like it. And I'm hoping I do because I really don't feel like switching it. Okay. I like it. Not my favorite, but it'll work. So hopefully you guys like this video. Probably not. It's actually really short and stupid. But I'll have more fun and intentional videos out there soon. So hopefully you guys like it.